Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to know who restricted you on Messenger. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So frankly speaking, there isn't a direct way to confirm if someone has restricted you on Messenger, as Facebook does not provide a notification to be or to the restricted user. However, you can look for certain signs that suggest to you that you might have been restricted. So first of all, check for the invisible online status. So if someone has their status bar on, and if you won't see their online option or active status, even if they are using Messenger, then it might be a sign that you have been restricted. Or your messages will also be shown as sent but not delivered or seen even if they have been online if you are a restricted user. Along with this, if they are not replying to your text or you are having some issues while calling them, this might also be a sign. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.